Good morning. This is Whiskey and Button's litter, born April 3rd. They will be 6 weeks old tomorrow. And as you can see, they're quite active. There are 5 girls and 1 boy, and this litter is sold. So, as far as our little boy, he is right here playing with the toy. He keeps up with his sisters quite well. So they are eating their puppy food now, and of course drinking water. So they will be pretty much weaned in the next couple days. They've been eating their own food for a while, and that helps Mama reduce her milk supply slowly. On the right here is the teal-colored puppy, and when I say teal, I'm talking about their collar color. She's chewing on the cow. And she is, you can't really tell in the video, but she has more gray in her. So right now she would be a gray brindle. And her sister, little Pink, is helping her out. And the pink and the red color puppies are my smallest puppies. Red is the smallest. And there is light green. And here is the little black colored puppy. She is what would be considered probably a cream right now, with black markings. As you see, her muzzle is black and her ears are black. And that's our little pink collared puppy again. I see you, baby girl. Here's our little red collared puppy, and she doesn't like her collar. Now this little pup, she is too cute. She's the smallest, but she makes up for it. She keeps up with everybody. As you can see, she has a little crimped tail. Cute, cute, cute. She does, actually yesterday I noticed she had a little bit of a hernia, and that is not unusual. Actually, she's my first puppy in like 18 years that had a little bit of a hernia, but it actually is not unusual at all. And I did talk to my vet, and she said that it was so small that it would probably go away on its own by her 3 or 4 month of age, but if it did not, then when she was spayed around that time, that would just take care of that. And actually that would be, I would just take $100 off of her cost for the additional charge your vet would charge you for the hernia. But it shouldn't bother her, my vet said, in any way. Hi, baby cakes. So cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. So here's the green collared again. Whoops. Hi, babies. And they are a sweet little litter. I know, you good girl. The black collared puppy is probably the alpha. She is my most adventurous young lady. And alpha, again, remember, doesn't mean that they're aggressive. It's just they're, more outgoing. I don't really have any puppies that are like submissive. These are all in the middle. And again, if we took our little cream colored puppy out of this litter, hi babe, hi sweetheart, oh you're so pretty, then another alpha would emerge. And that's just how the packs work. Oh, what was that noise? So we have, color-wise, we have, of course, the light green. Hi, sweetheart. She's got some gray on her as well. She actually has a little more gray than the teal-colored puppy. That teal puppy is, she's got the little cow right here. She's a little bit smaller, and she, remember, has the gray as well. And she's probably one of the darker females for sure. And then little pink again. And of course our black color puppy and our little red and our little boy. What was that? That's Mama. I'm sorry, button. I'll let you right back in, baby girl. I find if she's in here, she steals all their toys, and then she leaves. So she is still with them almost 24/7. She has access in and outside from this kennel. So she comes in and visits her puppies, and then she can stay and lay in here as well. And come and get in with her puppies. You never want to have your female where she's locked in with her puppies, because that's not really fair. Because they tend to, like Mama, jump on her. So she gets in and out at her leisure. Are you licking the cage, my sweet? You silly. Hi, sweetheart. Oh my goodness. So that's the teal colored puppy that just jumped on the other two. Oh, and there she goes. And pink. And our little boy. Oh my goodness. You know a trick already. You good boy. He's a good boy. Yes. I know, Angel. I know. I know. Aw, there's our little red puppy. And you can see her ears are already standing. And she's got a black muzzle and the black ears. Cute, cute, cute. All right. Till next time. Thanks, guys. Say bye.